It's so sad, the country was not at ease. That's why you left so silently. Today we see each other again. You've become rich and successful, and I'm still the poor country girl. I'm too embarrassed, I don't know how to be in your presence. Please reach out and place your hand on my head. Think of me as someone who was once your old friend. I still remember the year 1975. The night was the night you left me. My tears fell endlessly. In this lifetime, I'll wait to see you again. Please reach out and play